I'm Faye Fredericks. Let's get right into it. ASU is now reporting more than 800 coronavirus cases. School says 775 students have tested positive, along with 28 staff members. ASU says most of the students live off campus, but more than 300 people are now in isolation on the Tempe campus. The other positive cases are from the downtown Phoenix and West campuses. ABC 15 learning that ASU will start taking more drastic actions to try to slow the spread of COVID-19. University officials telling us they'll start to move students out of their dorms and into other rooms or residence halls. ABC 15 reporter Nicole Grigg live from the Tempe campus. Nicole, this is one of the first actions we're seeing from the university.
That's right. They're telling us that they will be dispersing students, either moving some of them out of their rooms into another room or an entirely different residence dorm room, that is. I spoke with one student who tells me that she's moving out for good. We met Jessica Evans as she was moving out from her dorm at ASU for good. She says the risk was not worth it.
Is my health worth staying here to do my classes? And ultimately it was an obvious decision that I needed to leave.
Right now, ASU says there are 323 students in isolation on the Tempe campus, but students don't know how many cases there are inside each dorm.
How many kids in your dorm have tested positive?
Well, they haven't told us how many kids in our dorm specifically have tested positive. About a week ago, we got a one-day notice that the entire dorm was expected to test for COVID. And I went and did it, and I got a negative test, thankfully.
ASU says they will notify students if they were exposed directly, which would be being close to someone for more than 10 minutes and closer than 6 feet apart. For Jessica, she says the hardest part for her is moving to online classes.
You're not getting the same experience as the on-campus students are getting if you choose to do online. And so you're kind of having to make the decision still between the full experience of your classes and being safe.
ASU President Michael Crow has provided updates on COVID-19 through social media in the last week. Today, there was a major announcement on a water project with ASU and the EPA with high dignitaries, but Dr. Crow only gave a pre-recorded video message.
Unbelievable outcome and unbelievable opportunity.
ASU tells us they are moving some students into other rooms and residence halls. As for cases spreading, officials say there's not one event or location contributing to the spread, saying, quote, it's a visit here, a small hangout there, and the tendency to congregate. We asked Tempe Mayor Corey Woods about ASU spreading the virus within the community.
So I think that they're doing everything they can to ensure that families and people who happen to work on campus do get access to information. But definitely, we as the city of Tempe are in regular communication, and they're trying to make sure that they provide us with the most updated statistics as well.
ASU's Media Relations Vice President telling us that President Crow has not established a data point or metric that would scale back in-person classes. It would take a combo of factors to consider that, and today's move is focusing on minimizing the risk and density of student residences. We have been pushing the university for transparency, especially when it comes to what is the plan moving forward. We have also put in several requests to speak on camera with Dr. Crow, and we have yet to hear from him. We also have been asking if they would commit to releasing daily numbers, and as of now, they have not. Reporting live in Tempe, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.